Fred Haas Toyota World is the #1 automotive dealer in Texas because we know price sells cars. Plus, it's Fred Haas's goal to save every buyer $2,000. Honesty, integrity, and customer service. That's Fred Haas Toyota World. Here's the vehicle for you.
Style and comfort meet performance and safety in the Toyota Avalon. A long list of standard features ensures an enjoyable driving experience, and the available options only make it better. Master the art of driving in style in an Avalon today. Choose from 5 models, starting with the well-equipped XLE and up to the luxurious Limited. All are powered by a 3.5-liter V6 that balances performance with efficiency. How does 268 horsepower and 30 miles to the gallon sound? Pretty good, right? Underbody diffuser panels and super low 0.28 coefficient of drag are key factors in the Avalon's impressive fuel economy. They also help reduce wind noise inside the cabin, adding to the luxury, as does French stitching on the standard leather trim seats and other soft touch areas. Available 3-zone climate control, Entune premium JBL audio system, and much more make your Avalon a commuting sanctuary. And every Avalon comes with Toyota Safety Sense driver assist features and the Toyota Star Safety System. Choose from a variety of colors, wheels, and genuine Toyota accessories and build an Avalon that's all yours. The Toyota Avalon. It's a smarter choice.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. And with over 1,200 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, we're sure to have what you're looking for. Come experience the Fred Haas Toyota World commitment to customer satisfaction. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.